since we're in the deep of AC season here, right? Because it went from mild to wild. One of the YouTubers or TikTokers said, subscribers said that the manufacturers don't have any recommendation for servicing your AC system in your vehicles. Well, that goes for buses, fleets, whatever. It has an air conditioning system or a HVAC system, and it's from not 1960 or 1970 or 1980, and probably mid 1990s into 2000s. It's evolved. So a lot of those cars in the old days didn't have a cabin filter or a HEPA filter, but they did have wiper cowls and fresh air vents and things like that. So let me just show you Google search here. Regular car AC maintenance is crucial for optimum cooling and to prevent costly repairs. Most manufacturers recommend servicing your car's AC system every 2 years. How about that? Every 2 years. Servicing, which includes a refrigerant charge. However, annual servicing might be needed if your AC system Annual service might be needed if you use your AC system heavily, meaning it's on all the time. Like in commercial climates and things like that, and areas where it's hot, 365 days a year. Beyond professional servicing, there are several things you can do to maintain your car's AC, include running it weekly, changing the air filter, how about that, and visually inspecting components. Here's a more detailed look at AC car maintenance. Let's just go down. Run your AC weekly, clean and change the air filter, inspect components. How about that? Clear condenser. Let's just say clean and clear condenser. So where is the condenser located? Right here in the front of everything inside of your car. So all the dirt, the dust, the car washes, the waxing, the pollen, all that gets clogged in your AC condenser and restricts the airflow on it, and actually it can't cool properly when it's contaminated. So a simple spray down with the hose and soap and water makes things so much easier. It works so much better. Open windows to vent the hot air, that's nothing. It's just helping to get colder faster. Use the fresh air vent. Strange noises, leaks, musty odors. So we're going to take you through some more tips. We're going to go over this car. Absolutely requires maintenance. So all the fresh air vents up here, okay, the car has to get fresh air into the HVAC system. Some are external filters and some are internal filters. So that needs maintenance. The serpentine belt or the dry belt for the AC system needs to be checked. The AC system needs to be checked to make sure it's full and has fresh oil in it. Anytime that we do an AC service, we put about an ounce of AC oil and dye in it. Are the fans working? Like I said, the front of the vehicle unobstructed? You'll see guys today, they'll put stupid light bars and a bunch of other things that restrict the flow of air in the front of the car. That's only making your AC system and your radiator work a lot longer. So it was a good question. That he said that manufacturers don't. I always say yes. It needs maintenance. It's machinery, and that includes TXV, orifice tube, and receiver dryer. They can only do so much. Got any questions? Hit me up.